It's a long way to Ely. It's a long way for...
The National Nurse Organizing Committee is traveling through Nevada to grade the presidential candidates on health care and talk to voters about single-payer health care for all. In a giant bus emblazoned with McCain and Obama report cards, the nurses kicked off their campaign at the Labor Temple in Reno, Nevada.
Our effort here in Nevada is part of a larger effort, which is going to be having bus tours very much like this in 5 different battleground states.
Enough is enough. I am tired of seeing my patients being denied health care and having to come into the emergency room for just basic care. And I'm tired of seeing people that have insurance being denied care and they're dying.
We should all have affordable and quality health care insurance.
Exactly.
The Straight Talking Nurses Express.
The wheels aren't coming off this one. No.
Covering more than 8 towns in 5 days, the nurses are bringing their message to patrons of coffee shops, local hospitals, and healthcare workers. One of their stops, Comma Coffee in Carson City. The nurses are also letting people know about H.R. 676, the Universal Health Care Bill.
Dental, medical, I mean, I've had emergencies happen and I didn't have insurance and I'd go to the emergency room and it's like, I don't know how I'm going to pay off this $1,000 bill, you know? And they're not really willing to work with you on that because they did put the effort forward, they did give you the medicines you needed, they're entitled to that money, but on the other hand, if I'm making minimum wage...
Well, HR 676 will cover all of that.
That would be awesome.
The nurses' mission inspires a local band to write a Roadshow theme song.
It's a long way for health care. It's a long way to Ely for health care that's fair. You can't find a doctor. You can't afford the pills. It's a long, long way to Ely, and you're dying of your ills.
They take their message to businesses down the street, talking to both Obama and McCain supporters about the importance of universal health care coverage.
And that's great that you guys are doing this. Good.
Yeah, we've got a big tour bus. It's parked around the corner with these report cards on the side.
Wherever they go, their message is clear.
Just like Wall Street came tumbling down because of bad practices and bad management, healthcare is in the same boat. We have an awful lot of waste going into our healthcare system, and we can solve it with single-payer healthcare.
Late in the evening, the nurses return to Reno for one last pitch before day 2.
I'm here at St. Mary's Regional Medical Center on a very clear, crisp evening, having delightful conversations with the registered nurses, respiratory therapists, housekeepers, ancillary, and the community, and giving them the information on the presidential candidates' positions on healthcare. And they all agree that there's a healthcare crisis.
My name is Al Bose and I work on the telemetry floor at St. Mary's in Reno, Nevada. We're on our last stop of the first day of our healthcare road tour. And what we're doing is we are bringing attention to the candidates' positions on healthcare because that's something that's going to affect everybody no matter who gets elected.
It's a long way to Ely. It's a long